let's go out to Tom Maurer Sr. this morning. I think about Tom in front of groups of as many as 55,000 people. And, it was over a process of time, and build a company, one of the fifth largest companies in the industry, $1 billion company. And, when you think about that, only 16 or 18 companies have ever done that since 1950. And he did it, and he said, I want to do it bigger. And, Tom, we've been kind of putting this platform together, a building, I call it the Grandeur Foundation, where you go out and just take over countries and you build factories. And before you have your first distributor, you obviously know what you're doing because you've done it before. And most people, after selling out a company for hundreds of millions of dollars, would have probably went and played golf, or they would have went and done something in philanthropy. You do a lot of giving anyway. But yet, most of your life, here's it's a Saturday morning. Here you're giving back to the nation. And yesterday, you've been working an extra 6 or 8 hours a day with new people coming in from all around the world and a lot of different areas. So, Tom, why? Why are you so committed to Sizzle?
Well, I'm committed because I really love to help people. I think we all do. And, of course, it's an easy thing for somebody to say that they do, but to do it is something else. And you see people that have worked their lifetime away, and then what do they do with everything that they've got and they've developed? Certainly they have a right to enjoy it any way that they want, and I do too. And my enjoyment in life comes from teaching people how to make their lives better and giving them an opportunity that they couldn't get somewhere else. It's really refreshing and exciting for me to be able to share the abundance of the world because of the collective power that we can put together. Now, just like today, we're all on this, so many people from around the country, but you hear the voices coming on, and it's more and more and stronger, and just like Aaron was saying about Dusty, with what he did and Ricardo with that, but there are others doing the same kind of thing. Joey's put on a heck of a lot, and I'll tell you what, Lori and Bill are just phenomenal. I was seeing them, and then Edwin was in here yesterday. There's a bunch of big leaders, and my days usually are doing a certain amount of time with distributors, but about 2/3 of it is spent on research and this type of thing to develop products and marketing and all of that. I'm having almost no time left to do research because of the insurgence of all the new distributors. It's not just new distributors. It's leaders from companies who were massive and in some cases are massive in the companies with which they're in. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and companies that you would all know the names of are joining our company, and they're coming in here because their checks are collapsing in the other, or they're stagnated, but they look like they're going down, and they've gone down enough that they can't see where the future, any way to bring it up. When a nosedive, it's pretty hard to pull out, and that's what's happening with most of these companies. Now, sometimes they'll hit a certain plateau, but is that where you want to go? If that plateau is down, what we're wanting to do is just take a plateau, go up to it, and use it to launch to the next level and go up and up and up. And that's what I did with my previous company. Now what we have is something that is, in all terms, earth-shaking. And now you hear people say that type of term, but you really don't know what an earthquake is until you've been in one. And I've been in a few, literally the physical earthquakes. But I was sitting in Japan once. An earthquake went off where everyone was having breakfast, and it rattled around, and not a person even left the room because it was pretty commonplace for them. But you get a big one, you really know it. And in network marketing, I've had 3 times in my previous company. We had a earthquake of momentum moving like few companies in this world ever do. Sometimes they do. My company got bigger and bigger and bigger and never got smaller. And over the period of time from never having been a distributor, just like everyone here was never a distributor at one time, but I got into this business, learned how to do it, and I loved the excitement and the fun this is. This isn't like sitting behind a desk and watching the time clock go so you can go home. This is like an adventure. It's fun, exciting. You can create a future, but you have to have something solid and firm to build a foundation on, and that's what we've done, and we have built it now. And I'll tell you what, it is It's absolutely amazing. I saw a little video the other day, and a guy on the hillside where a bunch of people were had a music box, and he was out, and he started dancing on this hillside, and he was gyrating around, and he looked like an absolute fool, up and down, bouncing, rolling around there, and pretty soon somebody joined him. And then someone else ran over, and before it was done, the whole hillside was covered with people, and they're all jumping up and down, dancing to the music, participating in it. But for quite a while, he was there alone. And then one woman joined him, and then somebody else came in. Pretty soon, it became a flood. We're right there, folks. We're on the hillside, and we're on the climb up. And within Sizzle, we've had good growth, and we've been in momentum. But Joy Boswell said it best: we're in big mo now. We're in big momentum, and we have leaders coming in this company. In fact, it's actually within my previous company. At least in the United States, I don't think I ever had the quality of the leadership that we have in Sizzle right now. And I mean, not just, you don't talk about quality like it's a nice suit. I mean, these are spectacular people that are producing, and they're excited. And most of my time now is being spent with them because so many are joining and coming in with large numbers of new recruits and distributors and excitement and things going on. So I'm really cranked out of my gourd. That's about the only way to say it, and I love it. I love this business because I'm a part of it. And because of what I could do allows others to do what they can do. Now, that's a really wonderful philosophy when you think about it. God has blessed me so much with the opportunity to be a part of this, but I am but a part of it. But I've been able to do it so that we can come together, and individually we can't do so much. Collectively we can conquer anything, everything. And we're on that road right now. So Dan, from creating a billion-dollar company, from never having been a distributor, $1 billion a year is a lot in sales. You know what? And I think you and Diane know it too, and Aaron does, and others are out there. We're going to do $1 billion a month. And when we get doing $1 billion a month, we'll say, how about $1.5 billion? And how far off is $2 billion a month? Literally, I mean, that sounds like pie in the sky, but for me, I can conceive it. And what you can conceive, you can achieve. I never could before. I hoped at one time I'd get to be $1 million a month with my previous company. And then it got to the point where I did $1 million in an hour or two with the company with it. But now I can see us becoming a $1 billion a month or a multi-billion dollar a month company. And it's not coming. It's happening right now. We're fast and furious, and it's going to be wild. It's getting wild right now, and it is going to be absolutely wild by the time summer's over. And by the time Christmas hits here, it's going to be a phenomenon that this industry is going to look at, and all of you here are going to be glad you did it, because we'll rise for probably 5, 8, 10 years, and then when we're there, we're not going to go down. That plateau we're going to have, we just keep launching off it and create the kind of life for us and all those people that we want, because we have the abundance of the world and we have the ability to share it together. So have a great day and get your rear in gear, because we're on fire.